Alright guys, I'm here at Ace's Burger Go and Play at the Beaver Valley Mall. Haven't been here in a while. Let's see what kind of crap we can win. Oh, look, there's a cat. I think that's a cat. That looks like a cat and a walrus mixed together. I think I'm gonna try for it. Come on, cat walrus. Ah! Come on, baby. Oh, okay, I can get him. I can get him by his little crab booty. I don't even think it's a crab. I don't know my animals, guys. Forgive me. Oh, come on, Dingleberry. I wedged him. Try more for the head. There we go. Nice. Holy heck, this thing's huge. This looks like a life-size lobster, guys. Nice. I'm gonna cook them and eat them for dinner. There's Shamu back there. There's another seahorse. Let's see if I can break this claw for the 20 millionth time. Every time I play this thing, it breaks halfway through. Every time, it never fails, guys. Look at this. Got friggin' Shamu. I don't know if he's gettable now. Come on, ice cream cone. Nice. This thing's light as a feather. I think I won one of these before. Look at that. I thought this thing had eyes. Maybe it doesn't. It's like an ice cream cone with a tassel cap. Come on, baby, grab that frog. Oh, what? Nothing? Try for this. True colored alligator. Oh! Almost got that thing. It's tough for this alligator. Yeah, I can see it. It's hitting all. Oh! Wow. That was a luck error. I was gonna say, because it hits all that crap. This alligator is true color. Don't mess with him because he will breathe fire and burn your arse. Alright guys, trying the mega crane. I think I can get this frog. Oh yeah, that should be easy. Perfect. Oh. Ooh, maybe. Oh my god, he's hanging by his froggy legs. Nice. He's a frog that doesn't want to stand up straight. It's tough because it's right by that glass. Just gotta get a lucky spin on it. It's good. Man, that was not the spin I wanted. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that might have him. Dig him up. Oh, I think they weakened this. Come on, grab that monkey. Oh, no. Oh. That should have him. Come on, baby. Nice. Perfect. Sick. Oh. Yeah, he's beanie. I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah. Free anything else up? I don't think so. Alright guys, here at Toys R Us, Sugarloaf Toy Mart. Let's try for this. Bird. 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 Bird is the word. Come on, bird is the word. Oh, bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird is the word. Come on, baby. Oh! That should have him. Oh! Come on, baby, get him. There he is. Bird is the word. Sick. Rio 2. I'm assuming that's a movie that I never saw. Alright, here it aces. We have a gap. That might be good. I'm gonna try for this purple thing. I have no idea what it is. Ooh, that might happen. Oh, look at this! Right up his rear end. Nice, first try at this. Whew. Almost bounced back in. I'd have been PO'd. I don't know what this thing is at all. Okay. Wow, that's got to be probably the most strangest plush toy I've ever seen in my life. Whee! You know what? I might be able to knock this frog forward. Or at least get him by the head, maybe. I don't know, this will be iffy. Yeah, I missed him. He might be gettable, I don't know. It's one of those iffy things. Let's try to dig this guy out. Oh, almost. If it clamped under his head. Oh, perfect. Just what I had in mind. Nice. Got a giraffe with weird socks. Because giraffes wear socks, guys. Yes, they do. I don't know what they've been teaching you kids in school, but giraffes wear socks, so yeah. Don't listen to your teachers. Oh, and they have multicolored manes. Sick. Going for the mouse. Come on, baby. Get that fat mouse. Ah. Yeah, I didn't get a good spin on it. Man, that might be gettable. Yeah, it might happen. Oh, wow, look at that. Claw's strong. I don't know what this thing is. You've got to be pooping me. Gotta be gentle. We don't want it to... Oh, nice. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's like a... It's a cat or some sort of four-legged thing. Alright, cool. Give it to Piggy. Power rises for the day. We got this bird from Rio. Never saw the movie. Shame on me. Ow. We got an ice cream cone. What's a little tussle cap? We got an alligator that's true colored. Got this monkey. He's actually beanie, guys, in his bottom, see? Got this lobster dude with like very weird eyes.
And we got a cat, I think. And we also got this giraffe. He's literally like straight from the wild, guys, because he has two different colored crazy socks and a mane that is multicolored. That's how they come in the wild, so yeah. Newsflash. We got this guy. I have no idea what in the dear Lord this thing is. And finally, a frog with no skeletal system. He's kinda just there. Please give the video a like-a-roo, and subscribe for new claw machine and arcade videos every single week. Thank you for watching.